Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do daily love message reading for air signs, and this message is for the next 24 hours. So let's see your quick message for air signs. First, Gemini. Let's see your quick message for October 1st. The Hierophant, Gemini, Knight of Wands, okay, Four of Wands. Yeah, I think if your person not committed in past, but this time they want to commit to you, Four of Wands with Knight of Wands, the Hierophant. Definitely in past there are in and out in your life. Definitely your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. So now they want to commit to you, Four of Wands. They want a happy life with you and they want to commit to you, the Hierophant. In past they are in and out your life. So this is the clear message for you, Gemini. So let's see Libra, your quick message for the next 24 hours. Libra for the next 24 hours. Six of Pentacles. Lot of readings got this card also. Judgment. Four of Cups. I think it's you not offering the cup of love which is offered by your person, because there is no equal give and take in this connection. That's why you are not offering the cup of love which is offered by your person. For some, your person feeling very sad for the missed opportunity with you, because they didn't give as much as you give in this connection, because there is no equal give and take. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. Definitely you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Judgment. But the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection, Judgment, they got justice. Definitely they made a major decision. I think Judgment means making decision. If there is no equal give and take, and if you are not getting what you deserve, definitely you don't want to put in any effort and you don't want to give any chance to other person. In my perception, definitely you are going to making a major decision or a important decision in your life regarding the relationship. So this is the reading for you, Libra. So let's see Aquarius for the next 24 hours. Your quick message. Aquarius. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Aquarius. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. The Hermit. Ace of Wands. Yeah, if you are in separation, definitely your person realizing you both, the Hermit, you or your person could be Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, and Aries, Leo, Sag. Especially Virgo. Definitely your person realizing you were both after the separation, Aquarius, and they want to come towards you, but it is very slow energy, Knight of Pentacles, but it is stable offer. You will get some communication, Ace of Wands, because your person realizes you both and they want a brand new beginning with you. I think the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you. For some who are in separation, after you walked away, definitely your person realized you both. The Virgo, right now they are in thinking mode. Knight of Pentacles is very, very slow energy. So it will take your person to come towards you. But at least they realize you both and they want a brand new beginning with you. So this is the message for you, Aquarius. So this is the reading for you, air signs. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.